Hello machine learning enthusiasts. Please do subscribe our channel for artificial intelligence knowledge and also press the bell icon ताकि जब भी कोई नया वीडियो अपलोड हो आप उसे जल्दी से इम्प्लीमेंट कर सको.
This is Urmi Mahajan. Hope you all are doing well. So, this video is about human face emotion recognition. Our human face is having mixed emotions. So, we are to demonstrate the probabilities of these emotions that we have. So, the question is, what does emotion recognition mean? Emotion recognition is a technique used in software that allows a program to read the emotions on a human face using advanced image processing. Companies have been experimenting with combining sophisticated algorithms with image processing techniques that have emerged in the past 10 years to understand more about what an image or a video of a person's face tells us about how he or she is feeling. And not just that, but also showing the probabilities of mixed emotions a face could has. So, that's all. Stay home, keep learning, keep watching, and if you just want to see the output, go to the minute given on the screen.
This is Neha Attara, last year computer engineering student, here to explain emotion recognition system. So our requirements for this project is first Python as usual, then Keras, Pandas, NumPy, IMUtils and scikit-learn. First, what is Keras? Keras is powerful, easy to use, free open source Python library used to develop and evaluate deep learning models and allows us to define and train the neural network model in just few lines of code. Now Pandas. Pandas is Python library used to deal with data analysis and its manipulation. In simple words, Pandas help us to organize the data, manipulate the data by putting it in a tabular format. Now NumPy, which is a general purpose array processing package, provides high performance multidimensional array object and tools for working with these arrays. IMUtils used to perform basic image processing functions such as rotation, resize the image, translation, displaying the images, etc. What is scikit-learn? Scikit-learn provides a range of supervised and unsupervised algorithms such as random forest, support vector machines, k nearest neighbors, etc. via a consistent interface in Python. It is licensed under a permissive simplified BSD license and is distributed under many Linux distributions, encouraging academic and commercial use. This was the introduction for scikit-learn and other libraries. First, we will get our images in the form of array. For that, import image to array from keras.processing.image. Then import IMUtils to perform basic image processing functions. Now import CV2. CV2 will be used for video streaming. Then we will load model from keras.models. At last, now import NumPy as NP. Now load data and images. First, we will load frontal face data from our cascade files. Then exception model, which we created from CNN, that is convolutional neural network code. Now to detect the face, we will give detection model path which contains har cascade files, and for emotion classifier, that is to classify the emotions whether a person is happy, sad, etc. For that we will load emotion model path, and then we will give emotions label such as angry, disgust, scared, happy, sad, surprised and neutral. Now to start the video streaming, we will use cv2.video capture. While the webcam is on, it will start to read the frame. So when frames detected, it will try to resize the image using imutils.resize. Then it converts the image from RGB to gray using CVT color. Frame comma cv2 dot color bgr to gray. Now to detect the face in the frame, it will use face detection dot detect multi scale. Now canvas of 250 cross 300 will be created using numpy. Now extract the region of interest of the face, means face in the frame in grayscale image, and resize it to the fixed 28 cross 28 pixels, and then prepare it for the classification via CNN model. And as per the face detected, it will label the emotion if a person is happy or angry or sad, etc. Else that face is not detected, it will try to continue and detect the faces. Now draw the label as per the emotion detected and put the text using CV2, and then show the image using cv2.imshow and release the camera. Now let's check the output. Thank you for watching. If you want us to explain the implementation of our code, let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our video and share as much as you can. Thank you.